Guys, today I'll be showing you how to download Steam on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get into the video. First of all, you are going to want to open up a browser. For me, it's going to be Brave. So I'm going to click on Brave and open up Brave. Now we are going to select a search engine. For me, it's obviously going to be Google. So I'm going to navigate to Google and click on Google. Now it's going to bring up the search engine. Now in the search engine, I'm going to search Steam. Once I search Steam, I'm going to click on Enter. Once I click on Enter, you will see one page here. And if you scroll down, you'll see more page. You don't really need to worry about this page because this is not for you and it's just Reddit and other stuff. So we are going to scroll up, and this is the actual website, which is store.steampowered.com. So you should click on Welcome to Steam. Now you can see a lot of choices here. There are many games to download, but you can't download it yet. We need to download the whole Steam program to download these games. So we are going to scroll up, and here on the top right we can see Install Steam. So we're going to click on Install Steam, and now it's going to take us to this page. And in this page, we have a Learn More icon. If you want to learn more about Steam, you can go here. But I am going to just download Steam for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on Steam. Now it will show me a path to download. For me, I will just want to download it in my Downloads section. So I'm going to click on Save, and it will download it for me. And now I will double click on it and click on Yes. Now it will greet you to the setup. You can click on Next. Now it will tell you to choose a language. You should choose English because if you choose a language that is not familiar with you, you might get lost. So click on English and Next. Now it will show a destination folder. You should let it be this, or otherwise it won't let you download. So I will click on Install. Now it's going to install it for you, and it will show completing Steam setup. Steam has been installed on your computer. Now you can check this mark and finish. Now it's gonna open up a program where it says updating Steam. This is crucial. You should not click on cancel because you need to download it, otherwise your Steam application will not work. So we can wait for it to download and sit back. Once you log back in, you will see this page. First of all, you need to register, and then afterwards pick an username. Then you will have to pick an password. Then after you do it, it will show you to log in with the password and username you entered. If you do that correctly, it will show you this page. And now you can download any games you want. So that's it for the tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and then leaving a subscribe. That motivates me to make more tutorials for you. Until then, goodbye. I'll see you in another tutorial.